Welcome. We'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. We have a baseball break 241 tonight. Got to mix up some 2022 products, 7 items, 2 packs, 4 blasters, and 1 hobby box tonight. Let's go over the products here real quick. We have a Bowman value pack here, 19 cards in here. And a Topps Heritage value pack, 20 cards in here. Blasters, we have a Topps Chrome, 32 cards, 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. Topps Fire Blaster, 46 cards in here, 4 gold minted parallels on average. Topps Series 1, 99 cards in here, 1 commemorative card guaranteed in one of the packs, and then we have an Absolute Blaster, 42 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph for MM, also 6 green and 2 lava parallels on average. Last box, Archives Hobby Box. We have 188 cards in here, 2 on-card autographs per box on average. 3 different designs this year. Looks like it's 63, 78, and 87, I believe. Alright, let's go over our products. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, let's go over our participants. It's 241 here. Mike, we have Diamondbacks, Braves, and Orioles. Robert, Red Sox. Jeff, Cubs. Mike, White Sox. Nolan, Reds. Emilio, Guardians. Mike, Rockies. Brian, Tigers. Rogelio with the Astros. Mike, Royals. Joshua, Angels. Emilio, Dodgers. Mike, Marlins. And Nolan, Brewers. 2 Chris's tonight. Chris B, Twins. Cassandra, Mets. Mike, Yankees. Like Athletics. Chris B, Phillies. Roman, Pirates. Chris B, Padres. Like a Giants. Mike, Mariners. Chris B, Cardinals. Ryan, Rays. Chris B, Rangers. Abbas with the Blue Jays. And Chris C with the Nationals. Alright, let's adjust the camera a little and we'll start. Alright, we'll start with Topps Heritage pack tonight. 20 cards in here. Good luck, everyone. Alright, start the break off with Kevin Gossman, Jared Walsh, Jorge Alfaro, Steven Matz, Thairo Estrada, Charlie Morton, Jose Altuve, Andrew Vaughn, Jonathan Daza, Dylan Carlson, Jake Fraley, Lucas Giolito, Gio Urshela, Robbie Ray. That's going to be a short print high number of Sam Hilliard for the Rockies. Anything over 400. Miguel Sano, Brad Miller, Justin Turner, Alec Mills, and Lamonte Wade. Alright, got a Bowman value pack. 19 cards in here. George Springer, Carlos Correa, Whit Merrifield, Matt Vierling rookie for the Phillies, Shane Baz rookie for the Rays, Jackson Kowar for the Royals, Gavin Sheets rookie for the White Sox, Juan Yepez rookie, Cardinals, Virtuosic Vibrations, Luis Angel Acuna. That's for the Rangers. First paper, Justice Thompson for the Reds. Mackay Backstrom first for the Braves. Prospect Leover Paguero. First Iverson Arteaga for the Giants. Prospect Christian Hernandez. Prospect Aurelvis Martinez. Prospect Chrome Raquelvin De Castro. First Chrome Simon Muzziotti for the Phillies. First Chrome Estevan Machado for the Blue Jays. And the first Chrome of Ellie De La Cruz. That's for the Reds. That's for the Reds there. Let me just leave up some of the first real quick, please. All right, let's go out to our blasters. Do top series 1 first. Got 99 cards in here. Got one of those commemorative cards. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. 14 cards per pack. 98 cards plus the one commemorative. Alright, we have Mookie Betts, Bobby Dalbec, Omar Narvaez, Jake Berger, rookie for the White Sox, Raisel Iglesias, Keston Hiura, Kyle Muller, rookie for the Braves, Chris Bryant, Ha-Seong Kim, Christian Pache, Curtis Terry, rookie for the Rangers. Got a Tatis, Duvall, and Alonso here. We're going to randomize that for those 3 teams in the end. Burns, Scherzer, Buehler, another random. Stars of MLB, Aaron Judge. Finally got a home run today, but lost a close one there. Next pack. Taylor Rogers, Mason Thompson, rookie for the Nationals, Merrill Kelly, Edwin Diaz, Hoy Park, rookie for the Pirates, Bruce Zimmerman, Zach Eflin, Zach Pop, rookie Marlins, Yankees, Didi Gregorius, Logan Gilbert. Moving on with the Dodgers, 35th anniversary, Barry Larkin, Stars of MLB, Jose Ramirez. Xander Bogaerts, JT Realmuto, Zach Thompson, rookie for the Marlins, Wilson Contreras, Drew Smyly, Sean Manaea, Luis Hill, rookie for the Yankees, Luke Weaver. Rockies, Diamondbacks, Tony Kemp, Jared Kelenic, Orman Challenge, Ronald Acuna, and Chris Bryant. Kyle Lewis, Kyle Freeland, Garrett Cole, Brock Holt, Salvador Perez, Kyle Schwarber, Sam Diego, Anthony Bender, rookie for the Marlins, Garrett Crochet, Steven Brault. Welcome to the show, Joey Votto for the Reds, and the Shohei Ohtani insert. Joey Wendell, Martin Maldonado, Hyunjin Ryu, Nicky Lopez, Ryan Zimmerman, Justin Turner, Dom Nunez, Starling Marte, Jazz Chisholm, Trey Ambergy, rookie for the Yankees, Max Fried, Tim Anderson, Stars MLB Chrome, Buster Posey for the Giants. There's that commemorative jersey card. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Mookie Betts. Buxton there for the Twins. Chrome Posey. Corbin Burns, Wander Franco rookie for the Rays, Christian Yelich, Jackson Kowar rookie for the Royals, Shane Bieber, Sonny Gray, Tommy La Stella, Yasmani Grandal, Alex Reyes, Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Jonah Heim, Andrelton Simmons, 35th Ken Griffey Jr., Rafael Devers. Wander Franco for Ryan. All right, last pack of Series 1. Kyle Seager, Yermin Mercedes, Johnny Cueto, Lucas Giolito, Buster Posey, Brandon Crawford, Eduardo Rodriguez, John Gant, Adam Duvall, Zach Greinke, rookie Ivan Castillo for the Padres. It's going to be a gold parallel. Reed Detmers, rookie for the Angels. Blue parallel, Jazz Chisholm. Stars of MLB, Boba Fett. It's going to go to Joshua, number to 2022. All right, next blaster, we'll go to Top Spire. Just give me a second here. Hey, Jose, what's up? 2 packs and 1 blaster in. So next blaster, Top Spire. 46 cards in here, looking for some gold minted parallels. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 packs. 6 cards per pack. That's 42 cards for the plus the 4 gold minted. 46. Shane Bieber, Josh Bell, Alex Bregman, O'Neal Cruz rookie for the Pirates, Shohei Ohtani, Rhys Hoskins. Let's go into Roman. Next pack. Sean Manaea, Clayton Kershaw, fired up insert of Mookie Betts, Justin Verlander, Tyler O'Neill, Jackson Kowar, rookie for the Royals, gold minted Logan Webb for the Giants. Cal Ripken, Brian De La Cruz, rookie for the Marlins. Got a on fire insert of Rafael Devers. Got a Nolan Ryan, Andre Jackson, rookie. That's for the Dodgers, and a Willie Mays. Bobby Witt, rookie for the Royals. Francisco Lindor, C.J. Abrams, rookie for the Padres. Got a red parallel Brian Reynolds for the Pirates. Starling Marte, Jeremy Pena, rookie for the Astros. Gold minted of Nolan Ryan, also for the Astros. Tonight's hero there of that marathon of a game. 1-0, 18 innings. Bobby Witt. Gleyber Torres. Jose Miranda, rookie. That's for the Twins. Miguel Cabrera. Flamethrowers, Julio Rios for the Dodgers. Garrett Cole. George Kirby, rookie. That's for the Mariners there. Corbin Burns, Trevor Story, To the Moon insert of Nolan Arenado for the Cardinals. Aaron Nola, Pepio, rookie, that's for the Dodgers. Ryan Pepio. Benintendi, gold minted Cedric Mullins. Last pack of the Topps Fire. Austin Riley, Yohan Moncada, Jesse Winker, orange parallel. That's going to be number to 299 for the Mariners. Frank Thomas, Luis Castillo, Bo Bichette, gold minted rookie Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Let's go on the mic. Number to 299. All right, next blaster, we'll go absolute. $42 cards in here, looking for one hit. Autograph for a mem. One, two, three, four, five, six. 7 cards per pack. Good luck. Mike Trout, Manny Machado, Lava Parallel Barry Larkin, Hallworthy insert for the Reds. Hallworthy Gary Carter. Little bad corner there. Joe Jackson, Green Parallel insert. Shane Bieber and Salvador Perez. It's like Barry Larkin there. Babe Ruth, Trey Mancini, Matt Olson, rookie class insert of Matt Brash for the Mariners. A green parallel Mookie Betts, Jose Altuve, and Jazz Chisholm. Carl Yastrzemski, Paul Goldschmidt. Oh, we got points. 400 points to randomize there. We'll randomize that in the end for you guys. Jazz Chisholm insert. Got a rookie class green. Jake Myers, that's for the Astros. Matt Chapman and Cedric Mullins. All right, we'll randomize that for everybody there in the end. Al Kaline, Brandon Crawford, Stan Musial, Extreme Team Corbin Burns, Joe Jackson, Green Parallel, Anthony Rizzo, and Bryce Harper. Garrett Cole, Cool Papa Bell. He's in the Negro League, so we'll randomize him for everyone in the end. A Lava, Anthony Rizzo for the Yankees. Icons, Ronald Acuna. Hallworthy Green, Ivan Rodriguez for the Rangers. Mariano Rivera and Chris Bryant. All right, last pack of Absolute. Fernando Tatis, Tony Lazzari, Byron Buxton. By Storm, insert rookie of Wander Franco, Shane Bieber Green, Jimmy Fox, and Miguel Cabrera. Let's go to Ryan. All right, last of our blasters, Topps Chrome. 32 cards in here, looking for some sepia and pink refractor parallels, 2 on average. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 cards per pack. Good luck. Clayton Kershaw, Shane Baz, rookie for the Rays. Heart of the City, Whit Merrifield. Josh Donaldson, sepia parallel, Ryan McMahon for the Rockies. That's cool looking inserts there. Next pack. Rookie Jose Siri for the Astros. Jack Flaherty. 35th, Luis Robert. Ketel Marte. Next pack. Tyler Stevenson. Reese Hoskins, 35th. Matt Olson for the A's. Rookie Alexander Wells for the Orioles. Jorge Soler, Aaron Ashby, rookie for the Brewers. Autograph Luis Hill. Nice hit there for the Yankees rookie. Matt Chapman, and a pink Tyler Glasnow for the Rays. Let's go on the mic. Next pack. Steven Strasburg, Xander Bogaerts, refractor of Jake Cronenworth for the Padres, J.D. Martinez. Rookie Tyler McGill for the Mets, Nico Horner, Starling Marte, Javier Baez, sepia parallel Kyle Hendricks. Next pack. Rymel Tapia, Chris Bryant, Prism Refractor Kyle Lewis for the Mariners, Trevor Larnach, Pink JT Real Muto. Alright, last pack of Chrome. Chaz McCormick, Yadi Molina, Refractor rookie Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins, and a Trey Mancini. Let's go into the Marlins, Mike. Alright, last box, gonna be Archives Hobby. Got 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. That's going to be 188 cards. Looking for 2 on-card autographs on average per box. Also have a box topper in here that's pretty big. It's going to be hard to ship there. Oh, there you go. It's going to go to San Diego. Tatis. Going to Crispy. I have a postcard there. Set that aside real quick. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 24 packs. Good luck. All right, we have Jed Lowry, Giancarlo Stanton, Ralph Kiner, Lucius Fox, rookie for the Nationals, Vlad Guerrero Jr., third, I believe. Rookie Greg Diekman for the Cubs, Akil Baddoo, and Pete Alonso. Next pack. Trey Turner, Nico Horner, Jake Myers, rookie for the Astros, Freddie Freeman. There's that many of that big card there. Greetings from Tatis, postcard card there. Randy Rosarena, Mariano Rivera, and Billy Williams. Rookie Kyle Muller for the Braves, Aaron Ashby, rookie for the Brewers, Javi Baez, Garrett Cole, Nelson Cruz. Here's our first auto, Aaron Rowand for the Phillies. Not numbered. Whitey Ford and Nolan Arenado. It's gonna go to Crispy. Next pack. Cedric Mullins, Chris Sale, Andrew Benintendi, Yogi Berra, Bob Feller. Draft pick, rookie Spencer Torkelson, Alec Boehm, Matt Chapman. Torkelson going to Brian. Kenta Maeda, Kyle Lewis, Babe Ruth, Eddie Murray, Ralph Kiner, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Julio Urias, and Luis Robert. Mike Piazza, Carlton Fisk, Brandon Lau, Tatis Jr., Brian Reynolds. It's showtime. There's Shohei insert there. Rookie TJ Friedel for the Reds, and Joe Ryan, rookie for the Twins. Shohei insert there for Joshua. Alan Trammell, Juan Soto, Mike Zunino, Ivan Rodriguez, Gabriel Arias, rookie for the Guardians, Willie Adames, Salvador Perez, and Sonny Gray. Manny Machado, Mike Schmidt, Ichiro, Francisco Lindor, Randy Rosarena. I think those are inserts there. Rookie Brandon Marsh for the Angels, Josh Lowe, rookie for the Rays, and Bryce Harper. Rookie Elio Ramos for the Giants, Tyler Gilbert, rookie for the Diamondbacks, Walker Buehler, Jose Ramirez, Tyler McGill, rookie for the Mets, Ricky Henderson, Don Drysdale, and Larry Doby. Padres coming back. Shohei Ohtani, Ryan McMahon, Josh Hader, Vidal Brujan, rookie for the Rays, Aaron Nola, Jose Altuve, Thurman Munson, Nathaniel Lowe. Yadi Molina, Greg Maddux, Mark McGuire, Honus Wagner, A-Rod for the Rangers. That is Randy Rosarena, Brandon Belt, and Ernie Banks. Craig Biggio, Mitch Haniger, Stan Musial, Hyun-Jin Ryu, Robbie Ray, Mackenzie Gore, rookie for the Padres, MJ Melendez, rookie for the Royals, Zach Short, rookie for the Tigers. All right, 12 down, 12 to go. Just give me a second here. I'll make some space real quick. Zach Wheeler, Max Scherzer, Tarek Skubal, Mookie Betts, Alex Verdugo, rookie Jackson Kowar for the Royals, Max Kepler, and Adam Frazier. Luis Castillo, Eloy Jimenez, Dalton Varsho, Otto Lopez, rookie for the Blue Jays. There's our auto, Jeff Jenkins. Two veterans. Bill Mazeroski, Lou Brock, and Jack Morris. Jeff Jenkins. Reed Detmer's rookie, that's for the Angels. Shane Baz for the Rays. Jacob deGrom, Paul Goldschmidt, John Smoltz, Tyler Glasnow. It's going to be a parallel there. Number to 99. It's going to go to the Rays. Catfish Hunter and Jeremy Pena, rookie for the Astros. It's Pena, rookie there. It's going to go to Ryan. Number 299. Adam Wainwright, Patrick Corbin, Joe Mauer, Ken Griffey Jr., Ozzie Smith, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Evan Longoria, and Anthony Rizzo. Dave Winfield, C.J. Abrams, rookie for the Padres. Kyle Bradish, rookie for the Orioles. Jeff Bagwell, Hunter Green, rookie for the Reds. Tyler Gilbert's Nono. Yordan Alvarez, Shane Bieber. Hunter Green. Teoscar Hernandez, Max Muncy, Lamonte Wade, Sean Murphy, Adalberto Mondesi, Nolan Arenado, another of those postcard. Lucas Giolito, and a Wander Franco rookie. Next pack. Rookie Seiya Suzuki, that's for the Cubs. Reese Hoskins, Corbin Burns, Tim Anderson. Parallel, Ketel Marte. It's going to be number to 25. Nice. Ryan Mountcastle, Patrick Wisdom, Cody Bellinger. It's going to go to Mike. It's number to 25, Ketel Marte. Suzuki rookie, that's going to go to Jeff tonight. DJ LeMahieu, Carlos Correa, Luis Frias, rookie for the Diamondbacks, Josiah Gray, rookie for the Nationals, Willie Mays, Aaron Judge, Dylan Carlson, and another Willie Mays. Ozzie Albies, Kevin Smith, rookie, Athletics, Kyle Schwarber, Nick Madrigal, Trevor Rogers. Postcard of Vlad Guerrero Jr., Oren Spawn, and Ron Santo. Next pack. Rookie Chas McCormick for the Astros, Christian Yelich, Chris Bryant, Chris Bassett, Tyler O'Neill, Derek Jeter, Stephen Kwan, rookie for the Guardians, Yu Darvish. Kwan, going Emilio. All right, last 2 packs of our break. I do have some cards to randomize, also the points. Then we'll do our recap after. Kevin Gossman, Tony Gwynn, Roger Clemens, Roger Maris, Monte Irvin, Trey Mancini, Brian Hayes, and Luis Garcia. All right, last pack of our break. Again, I have a couple cards to randomize, and then we'll do a recap. Most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits top loaded. No mail tomorrow, so it should be out by Monday for you guys. Team Bags, Bubble Mailers, thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Last pack, Dale Murphy. Rookie Bryson Stott for the Phillies. Rookie Mackenzie Gore for the Padres. Thank you, Brian. Mike Yastrzemski, JT Realmuto, Taylor 4-3. That's going to be for the Dodgers. Dansby Swanson. Last card, Jake McCarthy, rookie for the Diamondbacks. All right, let's make some space real quick. All right, so we're gonna randomize these here. We do have some points to randomize with Cool Papa Bell, and then we have these 2 triple cards. So the triples, we're gonna use random.org on all. Triples, we're gonna roll a die 1 time, and then for this, we're gonna do the list randomizer. The number 1 spot will take the points, and then Cool Papa Bell will be the consolation number 2 spot. All right, give me a second here. Let me just pull it up real quick. Thank you, Jose. Have a good night. All right, let's do the triple cards first. Random.org, dice roller, 1 virtual die. So we're going to roll it 1 time for both cards at the same time. If we roll a 1-2, it's going to go to the left-hand side. 3-4 for the middle player, and 5-6 for the right. All right, good luck. 4, middle player there. All right, it's gonna go to Adam Duvall and Max Scherzer for the Dodgers. All right, let's randomize this. List randomizer. Again, Panini points 400 will go to the spot number 1, and then Cool Papa Bell spot number 2 there. Let me just load the teams real quick. All right, first let's go ahead and roll the dice there to see how many times we're going to randomize it. So we'll roll it 1 time to see how many times we'll randomize the list. 4 times. All right, we'll load the team names real quick. Sorry, guys. There you go. All right, I'm going to randomize it 4 times. There's our team names. List randomizer, all our team names there. Again, randomize it 4 times. The 1 spot, take the 400 points. 2 spot will be Cool Papa Bell. Good luck on the teams there. That's 1 time. There's our 30 teams. 3 more times. That's 2. 3. And last one. 4 times. Top team, both LA teams. Dodgers will be the points. Angels will be Cool Papa Bell. All right, Angels, Cool Papa Bell, Dodgers, 400 points there. All right, let's do your recap here. I'll go over some inserts and parallels really quick. All right, we got a Shohei insert there. Kyle Lewis, JT Realmuto, Kyle Hendricks, Cronenworth, Glass now, Got a Whit Merrifield insert, a Ryan McMahon, Anthony Rizzo, Acuna, Jazz Chisholm, Barry Larkin, Arenado, Julio Arias, Nolan Ryan, Rafael Devers, Mookie Betts, Griffey Jr., Buster Posey, Otani, Judge, and the Sam Hilliard. That's going to be a short print high number. There's some rookies here. Bryson Stott, Mackenzie Gore, Stephen Kwan, Seiya Suzuki, C.J. Abrams, Hunter Green, Jeremy Pena, Kowar, Mackenzie Gore, Vidal Brujan, Elio Ramos, Marsh, Arias, Joe Ryan, Kyle Muller, Myers, Fox. Got a refractor about Brian De La Cruz, Tyler McGill, Aaron Ashby, Wells, Siri, Shane Boz, Kowar, George Kirby, C.J. Abrams, Jeremy Pena, Yepes. First paper, Justice Thompson, Backstrom, Arteaga. First chrome, Muzziotti, and Machado. All right, we have a Tyler Glass now. It's going to be numbered to 99. Got a Torkelson rookie, Jesse Winker, orange to 299. By Storm insert of Wander Franco, O'Neill Cruz base, Reed Detmers 220, 22. Bobby Witt base, Wander Franco base, Ellie De La Cruz chrome first. Wander Franco base, Ketel Marte number to 25. Autographs Jeff Jenkins for the Brewers, not numbered. Aaron Rowand autograph for the Phillies, not numbered. And a Luis Hill rookie auto for the Yankees. All right. Again, these will ship out by Monday. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Till next time. Have a good night. Bye.